Hello guys, welcome to Hello guys, welcome to a brand new not brand new. Welcome guys for episode 2 of Atomic Bomb. Not bomb, heart. Yeah, so yeah, some shit happened and we're in some type of apocalypse robot apocalypse. Let's continue. Oh, we should die. Right here. Hello? Okay, now we're good. Oh. Now this way.
Terminated. Charles, where does the shaft Larissa crawled into go?
It's hard to say. The ventilation system contains a large number of branching ducts.
Fine. What's that freaky thing on the door?
Yeah, use my tentacles again.
Are you serious?
Two,
Then open it already. Come on, we're in a hurry.
Oh shit, that's gonna take 20 seconds, but okay.
I lack any kind of lock-picking functionality.
Is that Charles on the image?
Method for
That's
picking
cool.
locks. I'm sure you're smart enough.
Yeah, right. In other words, you're basically useless, as always.
Try snapping your fingers at the exact moment the locking pin light goes on.
Nice. Did they right? Wait, what? Well, I'm confused for now. Oh, I did wrong. Oh, okay, you're supposed to do that. Okay, up. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Ah, fuck. There you go. Crap. Okay. I have an hour 10. It's like a freaking time game. But let's do it again. 1, 2, fuck. Fuck. 1, 2, 3. Fuck. 1. My time's up. Okay, try again. Okay. It's kind of like Simon Says game, but you keep messing up, and plus, it's more hard than I thought. Okay. As you can tell, someone's eating chips in the background. Fuck. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Let's go! It's a model N93. I hate those shit.
It worked.
I know. It took me a while to do it, like 3 minutes.
A lullaby? I don't like
Well, no
this.
shit, I don't like it either.
Charles, what's on the other side of the door?
That's Nora's voice. She's
Well, I can't see it,
very
okay.
dangerous.
A lullaby. A vending machine. Oh, I forgot to put my earbuds. Give me a sec. Oh, that thing's singing. I mean, lullaby.
What the fuck? Fuck me!
Anti-tentacles. Oh, crap, no. Huh?
No need to fight back, sugar.
No, let me go, please.
Don't let her bind your arms.
Can't you see I'm
Yeah, I'm trying to do that too. Okay.
open to suggestions?
Bro, those tentacles.
Manipulator. Quick.
Are we doing Avatar style again?
Rebellious dominant men really turn me on.
Wait, what?
Just let me at you.
What a brute!
There you go.
Not tough, guys. I'm on fire.
Okay.
Closer. I can't reach her.
I'm trying. She's one strong ass bitch.
Just put it there, boom.
Sugar. Anything
Oh, it's on the back. Okay, that makes
What
sense.
can I do for you?
Wait, what? Alright, we're good. Okay, let's go.
More skills will become available to you soon. But choose shock for
Okay.
now.
Can I press it? Oh.
You were fortunate enough to acquire about 50 grams of neural
God
power.
damn!
I
50
suggest
grams.
exchanging this dose with
That's a
lovely
lot.
Nora for a new skill.
Hey, we got an upgrade. We got an upgrade for my hand. Yes! I feel powerful. Got it.
Oh, how can I resist? Now let me show you what I can do. Professionally, I mean.
I've seen it. Literally. Crispy critters.
I am here to help you upgrade your red-hot pocket rockets. And believe me, handsome, you can upgrade whatever tickles your fancy.
Ooh, we can cut the
Weapons
hell.
are
That's
useful.
good.
Open the
I could
corresponding
triple
window,
kill.
Major.
That's
Get
good.
rid of that glove, handsome. You don't need him anymore now that you've got me. I'll service you however you want. Got a sword? A massive sword? Thrust it deep into my socket so I can make it sturdier and sharper.
Okay.
Can upgrade weapons and
But I can do so much more. A quick romp with your axe is just a taste of things to come, you handsome beast. Did you enjoy it, big guy?
Yeah.
This vending machine's horny as
Use
fuck.
this powerful weapon to split
Okay.
the skulls of your enemies
Can we do that?
and bring me gifts
Yeah, upgrade.
so we can get down
Upgrade.
and
Can I upgrade
dirty.
max?
I'll show you what real
I got a
smart
shotgun?
feels like.
Since when?
Why should I bring you gifts?
Girls like being pampered.
because the repair vendor needs resources to break them down and produce items.
Can I upgrade?
Luckily for us, it's not very picky,
not available.
although some upgrades may call for unique
I'm guessing 'cause-
components.
Yeah, I need
I
some stuff.
take it the facility is full of all kinds of junk.
It is indeed, Comrade
I need some
Major.
stuff.
I'll keep an
Okay.
eye out then.
I can't wait for your strong hands to grope my interface with lustful abandon.
That's it. We're
Yep.
done here. Let's go.
I agree with you. No, okay, I need some stuff to grab some. Okay. See your handheld vending machine. Let's go over there. Let me grab that. Thank you. Oh, a time time pocket. Pocket time. That's what I'm guessing. Snooty time.
What's with those
Okay.
boulders with black bodies, Nikolai?
Hey, Nikolai from Call of Duty Black Ops 2.
All
I'm
my
guessing.
orders
No,
are always polite.
that's incorrect.
The black one.
From Call of Duty franchise. I forgot what it's called. Oh yeah, Call of Duty Black Ops
Just ignore
4 or
orders.
3. I forgot.
Yesterday, one of them
Nikolai.
bugged me and didn't even
Okay.
apologize.
Let's go over there.
Respond to people with
Ooh,
high
trains.
social rate.
Great, the goddamn elevators are out. What am I supposed to do? Jump down?
No, walk.
Power. If you reconnect the power, they'll start working again.
So it looks like I need to find a circuit breaker.
It's not
Where the
here.
hell is it? I can follow the wires, but they're all hidden inside the walls.
Electrical emissions can be detected via scanner.
Meetings or something?
Can
Back
I?
me when you can.
No, I can't.
I'm a little freaked out.
Oh shit, I'm about to fall off. Okay, let me go over here. Ooh, stuff. Is that a hand? No, okay. Let me go over here and find some stuff. This stuff here. This is in plate. Oh no, no man, okay. Hey, you told you you're not another horny vending machine, but it's you're dumb. Boy. Wow. Okay, that's what I'm guessing. Ooh, another one.
Ugh. Supply room's
I'm
locked.
fucking another
Well, that's
one of
just
those
fucking
machines.
great.
Okay,
I
let's
can't
try.
just snap my fingers here. I need a key. And let me guess. You can't open this lock, can you, Charles?
Unfortunately not. But I can set a waypoint you can use to find
Oh, that's
the key.
perfect. Let's do
It
that.
should be in a nearby workspace.
Oh, that's perfect.
You're finally starting to come in handy.
I know, right? It's trying to find a thing. First of all, I'm gonna use my tentacles to find not his body, but I'm gonna try to find some stuff. Where is it? Oh, up here. Okay. Where is it? The same place I just came from? No. Okay. Good. Parkour. Let's go over here. Go to this other door. Hopefully, no. Oh shit! I got
There's a
scared.
dandelion security camera up ahead. If it detects us, this place will be swarming with robots.
Take it easy. I can always distract it by throwing something, then knock it out with an EMP.
Shot. That didn't work. Okay, I have to wait for the cooldown. It's down. Okay. Give me the stuff. Give me the stuff before I rob you. That doesn't work. Okay. There was a button. How do you reactivate the button? Let's go. Let's go.
Come in, Major. You
What?
said you knew how to avoid
Oh
trouble.
shit! I forgot the
I
security
expected
camera.
more subtlety from a professional such as yourself.
Fuck you.
Sometimes you just need to go
Alright,
where
now
it
go.
goes
Ah!
crazy. This was one of those times.
Oh no, there's another one. Okay, we. I thought I just wanted to. Okay, heal. I need healing. Give me that shit. Thank you. Okay, I'm half health. I'm 60% health, but that's good. I'll rip his head off. That's. Hey, give me the shot. God damn, that took me a while to kill it. I just took his head off. Okay, okay. Okay, that's a good thing. I found some parts for the upgrades. But let's go over here. And there's a dead soldier. Comrade's dead. Okay. It says it's supposed to be right here. Where is it? I can't find it. Am I missing something? It says right here. You know I can't find it, right? I'm going to my tentacles. Find the key. Oh, find the key. Okay, okay. I mean, I found some parts, so that's good. For my upgrades, for my shotgun and my axe. That's good. God damn, there's a lot of stuff here. I'm making some trash here. I could make a freaking palace. Did I find? Oh wait, did I just find the key? Is that the key right there? That's not the key. Okay. I cannot find the fucking key. Where's the key? So I could open the place. Where's the key though? Okay. Ah, there's the key.
Ah, you found the key. We
Bruh.
can access the circuit breaker now.
I was searching for the key and
I'm
I
just gonna
found
have a
more
look
dead
around
bodies.
first. I need some parts to upgrade my weapon. I won't get far with this pile of shit.
I wouldn't dream of
Alright.
stopping you.
Smart move.
Ah,
boss.
crap. Hoping no robots come for me. Ah, we good. I can open it. Okay, let's go over here. That just saw his leg moving? Okay, let's don't talk about it. Let's go over there. Oh. It says, oh, right, it's right here. Oh, yeah, it's wasting water. Let's go over here. Dodge that. Dodge over here. Go over here. Don't fall to fire with the pit. Go over here. Over here. And over here, too. And we're good to go.
Let's put a cookie in there.
Add the cookie.
Even locks like cookies, right?
Yeah.
Charles,
Yes?
do you like cookies?
Ahem.
I would say that as a no. I would take that as a no. Charles does not like cookies. It's confirmed. Okay. Computer, okay.
This
Oh,
is a passive security system with a relay.
I think I can do that. I'm a smart ass.
You need a color code.
Unfortunately, we don't have any codes.
Oh.
You'll have to try to decipher it using logic.
Seriously? Like I was gonna stand here until it turns off on
I
its
found more screws. Hold on. Oh. Is there any color coding? And there's a
Try
dead
to match
robot.
the colors of the laser beams with the colors of the lights. That should help.
I'm trying to figure out how this is gonna work. Okay. Let's see.
Yeah, the power.
There, I got it.
Let's head back.
There we go, I got it. Yay. We did it. We did it. We did it. Yay. Okay, let's go over here. Load the CMOS. Okay. Let's go over here. Hey,
one?
elevator's
I
open.
suggest the one on the right.
Okay, let's go to the
You don't
right.
Actually, no. In that case, I'm taking the one on the left.
Okay, now let's take the left. Okay. Right or left? I'm gonna take left.
I've marked another waypoint for ease of
Other
navigation.
than music
How
be like,
dense do you think
it's
I
so
am? I
fun.
know where I need to go to complete my mission.
I was only trying to make things easier for you.
You can make things easier by getting off my grill.
Grill. Do we get stuck? No? Okay. A suspicion it's a robot, but I can tell. Let me heal up first. Thank you. Second of all, I have to figure out how to switch weapons. That's not it. There it is. I want to use that. No, I want to use that weapon, please. Can I use that weapon? How do I... Did I just love my shotgun? Hold on. Wait, where's my shotgun? Wait, where's my shotgun? Hold on. Nora. I moved to Nora. Wait, where's my... Hold on, where's my shotgun? Wait, where's my shotgun? Okay, well, I lost my shotgun.
The door is electromagnetically locked.
Are you freaking deaf or something?
Pardon me, please continue.
Oh yes, please continue. Okay. Hey robot, I got some shocking news for you. I used the one button. Okay. No, that one's correct. Okay. Hey, there you go. I shock you. Okay. Get demolished. Yeah, that's where your back broken. That's where your back broken and your neck too. Alright, now your turn. You're gonna turn your friend too. Get shot. Ah. Ow, ow, and I'm gonna cut it in half. Okay, now I got some stuff. I got some mental parts and neuroplumber. But yeah, let's go over here. We brave.
There's no other way forward.
Hey,
We have to take it.
stuff.
Petrov escaped.
We got some
before he
Pokeball.
ran off
We got some Pokemon balls here.
It would be logical to begin our search there.
So, how do I get there?
First, we need
Would
to
I get
to
hurt?
the
No.
distribution
Okay, good.
center. This cable car will take us there.
I think they could have hurt me. Okay, they didn't hurt me. Okay, that's good to know. Let's go here. Go over here. And I'm touching a puzzle where I'm not gonna get hurt, but I didn't get
You
hurt.
can swim through
I'm
polymer.
just walking.
I've done it before. It's nice, actually. Kind of like swimming with whales and dolphins.
Hey, I can swim. I can swim to the ocean. And I can't sing and neither swim. I can swim. But we swim into the ocean with red blood. And some boogers too. Oh shoot, okay, it's right here, okay. Bomber, bomber. We have found some dirt. Okay, let's go. We out, right? Yo, I'm stuck. Yo, I'm stuck. I need help. I can't get out. Help me. Ah, crap. I can't get off.
How am I supposed to restart the line?
There should be a control panel.
There we go.
nearby.
Oh wait, no.
You
Go,
don't
I
say.
can't get down. Hold on, I'm stuck. No, I'm going upwards. Okay, let me go upwards. No, okay, let me go downwards. Oh. No. Bro, I'm stuck. Hold on. Yeah, I'm stuck. Hold on, I can't get out. Let me go front. There we go, got it. Okay. It took me a while to get out. Okay.
There's the control panel. Of course it's locked. You guys just love these things, don't you? But this is a new one. A combination lock. It'd take me a year to guess the combo.
Look around. Maybe someone has the code.
Obviously, let's go. Let's find the code.
Station master.
Where the code be at? Tell
What was
us.
that?
We just open that. Alright. Probably this could be the final recording or not. I don't know. Let's go. Now let's go. Oh, more Pokemon cards.
There
No
it is.
dodge. Oh. No, shit, I can go up. Okay, diamond shape. Let's go down.
Charles, so this isn't a dead
Hold on,
person
let me go
talking.
back.
It's the
I forgot.
neuropolymer in his noggin, right?
Crudely speaking, yes.
Alright, that's easy. Okay, let's
As
go.
it fades away, neuropolymer memory
I'm just
temporarily
gonna jump.
stores
I'm
the
from the
individual's
jump.
last
I'm gonna
thoughts.
jump.
Creepy.
Jump to the jump. That's a
How long are they
fucking
gonna
rabbit.
talk for?
I can't say exactly. Somewhere between a minute and a couple of days.
Yeah,
But
it's
it
right there.
seems
Okay.
the more time passes after death, the more corrupt the information becomes.
I see. So
There
the
we
stuff
go.
they're saying isn't
Let's go.
always that important. Poor bastards.
Let's go. Grab
I hope this
that and let's go to the one of the kind Pokemon card. I mean, not Pokemon cards, Pokeballs. Let's go.
Sorry, no ticket.
8, 7, 6, 5. Oh,
Ugh, this tunnel's messed
no
up.
5.
It's gonna be a bumpy ride.
Yeah. Ooh, a hole. A big ass hole. A big ass gap too. Oh shit! You saw that? Oh fuck! I'm having wait, we're going back? Wait, hold on, that doesn't make sense. Oh shit! And there's a robot on fire. Okay, that's cool. And we fall down. That's nice. This dude got stabbed
I knew it was gonna be rough.
by the neck. What the fuck? Oh, what the fuck?
Careful. There's a gap up ahead.
I see it.
I taste your ass. Oh fuck.
We need to find a way to move forward. But frankly, I'm
Come on, comrade. Oh shit.
Climbing the wall. That's how.
Do you have mountaineering training?
I'm a spec ops soldier.
Heal. Heal. I gonna get lasered. Okay, I didn't get hurt. Okay. Come here, you pussy. Get you out. Oh. I can use guns. I just learned it. Okay. Bros, come over here. Stop being a bitch. Yeah, that's what you get. Go over here. Get your ass over here. Ah! Fuck you. Yeah, get your ass over here. I'm trying to figure out how you... So you see, I lost my gun. Man, I gotta leave your ass over there. Okay, shit, how you come up? That's a good dude, don't I? Yeah, what happened? Yeah, what happened? You got fucking buzzed off. I'm trying to figure out how to go up there. Shit. Am I supposed to fall off? Seems like it. Okay. Can I climb up? There you go, I can. Climb up. Can I climb up? Stop with the dramatic music. Oh my goodness. I can't go up. Oh, I can. Okay. I'm stuck. Okay. Bro, how do I climb up? Oh. Bro. Well, you should have told me where I'm supposed to go, but okay. That's alright. Let's go. Okay. Fuck. I can go here. Climb up, climb up, climb up, climb up, and climb up. Climb it up, climb up, and now a little bit more. We climb up, and no, don't do that. No. Let's go! I feel I'm supposed to go over there. Oh no! What? Did you drop your ass? Oh my goodness. Bro, he's dropping his ass up belly already. That's alright. Alright, okay. Jump! Let's go. Where else am I supposed to go? I'm supposed to go that way. Come here. Oh my. I find how to climb upwards. Oh!
Holy shit. That was a
Oh
surprise.
shit, I almost got cut off.
You've got quick reflexes, Major.
You bet.
Go, let's go. Okay, let's go. That's good. Okay, we're good. Oh shit, I got scared. Ah! I got demolished by a fucking worm. Also, you can see I got demolished by a fucking worm. Shit. I got killed by a worm, a robotic worm. That sucks. I can hear cars. I don't know why. Oh. Murder cars. Murder cars. Interesting. Let's go. Oh my goodness, that takes so long. Bloopers. Bop, 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 bop. Bop, bop, bop. Okay. I died by a fucking worm. Could you believe it? No. Look at me. I need a new haircut. No, I need more. I need to shave my beard again. That's sad. I just got my I got my beard. I already got my beard and my mustache shaved off, but even though it's right there, so yeah. Okay. Again, let's go.
You again.
Careful. There's a gap up ahead.
I see it.
I'll floppy off your head
We need to
off.
find a way to move
Let's go.
forward. But frankly, I'm having trouble figuring out how.
Climbing the
Let's
wall.
climb the wall.
That's
Let's go.
Do you have mountaineering training?
I'm so overexcited about a pole. I'm gonna strip down with my underwear.
I must admit, I'm quite glad to hear that.
Alright. Let's go upwards, go sideways. No, go sideways. No, sideways. There you go. Sideways, 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 too much fun. Sideways, sideways. I'm about to get rubbish. I'm gonna get killed by a worm again. But let's go this way this time.
I agree. You've got quick
Let's
reflexes.
jump. Let's go. Heal first.
Wouldn't survive without it.
Heal again. And it's ready for combat. This time, just stay away from the freaking worm. There we go. Now we're safe. Now we're safe. Let's go. Let's
That was a good off, right?
go.
A tunneling robot.
Indeed it was.
Oh shit! Ah!
Hardest minerals at incredible speed. Soviet science has high hopes for them in regard.
Are you a
to
threat?
inevitable
No. Okay, good.
conquest of all the
I'm gonna kill you.
solar system.
Ah! I can carry it. God damn! No, what the fuck? I got fucking karate kicked by a robot. As you can see, yes, I got them. No, oh my goodness, they're lethal as fuck. God damn. Okay, good to know. No wonder they said they're dangerous. They are dangerous. Okay. Yeah, I got beat up by a freaking robot. Even though this is supposed to be in medium mode. Medium is supposed to be easy. But they know it would be that easy. And there's a as you could tell, I fucked them up real good. Yeah, give me a shot. I need some AIDS. Ah! Let's go. Did I just say AIDS? I need some meds. Let's go. We're right. Got it. Okay, let's go. Ooh, stuff.
I took such good care of those wonderful, powerful, brilliantly designed machines. And now, oh, the irony.
What are you
That's what I'm trying to
talking
figure out.
about?
The Buravs, our finest
Wait, he can speak?
product. Hush.
But he's dead.
Did you know we weren't allowed to sell them abroad?
I'm confused right now. Yeah.
Sorry.
I'm confused by
I
that.
gotta run.
Sure. Yeah, okay.
I feel he's skipping something from my. I'm
Irony, comrade.
skip.
I took their wonderful
What are you?
The Buravs, our finest product. Oh, it's ridiculous, really. I was a roboticist here. I was a Burav roboticist. When I heard the robots were attacking people, I rushed here. Wanted to switch mine off. So they chopped
Oh.
by my own machines. The control panels got buried under the rubble. Now they're on their own, digging God knows what. Like they're sleepwalking or something. I wonder what they're dreaming of without us.
So this dude, right, the mechanic, yeah, technician, my bad. So when he heard the robots killing people, he was scared. He ran to one of these machines, but the machines killed him first. Like, well, no, he got fucked up. His neck got broken. His arms got fucked up. His legs got fucked up. Everything got fucked up. So that happened. Okay.
Why is there a ban on exporting them?
They're cutting-edge city-building machinery, that's why. Point them at the ground, and in a month, you'll have a complete subway system, or any sort of tunnel. Subways, hell, it's the moon that we're going to use them for. Terraforming. So their top secret and their armor is tougher than a tank.
God damn.
PTA plates are marked cutting-edge science.
Damn, this house is fuck. Okay.
You worked on the
Buravs.
Buravs?
From day one. Okay.
Just about everything in here used to be no artificial sea, no fields, no forests or anything here. To say nothing of the cable cars. Just mountain ranges. No, hardly anyone stops to think about what it used to be like here. And it's all thanks to my Buravs. We moved mountains, built the whole infrastructure. They're tearing down what they built. They've got no idea. A machine's mind is like a small
I see.
child's, you know. It needs love, care, or
Same to confusion. I see. So, that's what I learned from this guy. He worked with the Bravo, right? I say Brava, my bad. So Brava made basically everything artificial: clouds, fields, ocean. Shit, sorry, and the forest too. Shit, so Brava made everything artificial. Even with the robots. Okay, let me check if there's anything important. I need some peace. I need some pieces for my stuff. I need some dildos in my ass too. And some else too. There we go. That would be good, right? Let's go. Let's go. Come in the one.
Do I
Okay,
ever
let's go.
love crawling through dark-ass tunnels? That was a fucking hell of a ride.
Okay, there's some dead Conrad.
circumstances, the cable car network links all the
Here,
underground
there we go.
sectors of Facility 3826.
Let's go.
It should be easier next time.
Thanks, bud. I think I'll just hoof it on the surface.
That way. Okay, let's go left.
Hey, this is my stop.
Yes.
What a nice trip.
Can we go inside? I have a feeling that we can go inside. Oh, no, wait, no. Oh, game save. Okay, that's good. Can we go here? No, we can't. Okay. Oh shit, Conrad. Conrad, you good? Oh shit, the machines.
A laser wall. That's some serious security. People put them up for a reason. If you see one, that means seems there's something.
Wait, no
important
shit,
with
bro.
this.
He got
Quite
fucked
right,
up. He got
Comrade
diced like an onion
The
dice.
distribution center we're looking for is, in fact, on the other side.
There's no way I'm making it through a laser wall in one piece.
There's a repair vendor up ahead. Try upgrading your equipment to increase your laser
bet.
resistance.
Pervy little fridge.
The pervy sage.
Back! What took you so long?
Just give me laser protection.
Oh, so brutal. I'm shaking. Squirt your polymer inside me.
Don't let her
God
boss you
damn,
around.
this
We have
this
no
minute.
time to waste.
Don't
Oh my God.
listen to him, big guy. He wants to drive
I want
us
that, please.
apart. Take off that stupid glove so we can stay together for...
All right, I get it. You'll get your polymer and
Thank
your
you.
precious components. Just install the laser protection already.
Whatever you say, stud. Upgrade initiated. Relax and enjoy. Just promise you'll talk dirty to me again.
I am so gonna punch you.
Yes, yes. Punish me, master. I love dominant
Oh my
males.
goodness, what the hell?
Oh, gross.
This vending machine. Oh my god.
Your defense
So this vending machine is pervy sage.
run through the laser wall.
After that creepy shit, I'd be willing to run through any wall.
I can run through it, right? I'm scared. Okay, we're good.
That hurt.
Hey, Rube. Okay, Robe. My bad. I said Rube. Why so quiet? Alright, we got some stuff. Hey, there's me! Comrade. One of my comrades dead.
Don't worry, honey. I'm right as rain. The operation was totally
Bruh.
painless.
Wait, what? I was still talking about the pervy's vending machine.
Must be Sechenov's guy.
Oh, there.
Larissa,
Okay, there's
did
another
you
person.
talk to him?
Blue rock. Oh, it's the same nurse. Okay, got it. Okay. It's the same nurse from back then.
Well, you should have. It would have saved us a whole lot of trouble.
I see. We just Nikki. Do not be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Hey, don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Hey, don't be suspicious.
Both can be dangerous. Hands up.
What's going on?
You deaf? Hands behind your
Ah yes, tentacles.
Major
I'm gonna
H&RNY
scare you with the
operations. And that's the
tentacles.
last question you get. You're going to Cheltenham.
Tentacles.
Shellman. Of course, Comrade Major.
He's signing something. I'm not sure.
Intrusion. Intrusion.
It's a drone. Alright, we good. Fuck you. Alright, let's go. Crap. Oh no. Alright. Taste him. Heal. Oh, I have no heals. Okay. Oh. So you see, I got knocked the fuck out by some. Oh, fainted. Okay. Oh, that word. Nope. Nope. Nepe. So that means I got fainted. Okay. So yeah, I got fucked up again. This is my fourth death. Amazing. Well then, I'm gonna stop this video for today, and yep. So either way, we're trying to say that. Shit, what am I going to say? Oh yeah. I'm gonna end this off. Tomorrow I'm gonna make it post a third episode. If I don't, I might gonna post another game episode. But yeah, so yeah, so it's great playing. It's great playing with y'all and watching me. Not mine. What I'm trying to say is, hopefully y'all have a great day. If you watch this in the morning, afternoon, have a great afternoon. If you're watching at night, have a great night. And bye.